Simple instructions for $600. Follow me and I'll show you how you can do the same. Hey guys, I'm back with a brand new way to make $600 now with this free app. This doesn't require any trading or any kind of investment, only you, your free time, and a smartphone or a laptop. These websites aren't geo-restricted either, so you can do this method anywhere in the world. But guys, make sure not to skip any step in the video, because if you do, there's a high risk that you miss out on an important step that would otherwise make your profit a lot higher. So guys, make sure to stick around until the end and hit that like button if you enjoy this video, and also subscribe to the channel because we are regularly uploading new videos about how you can make money online. And now let's jump into the first step.
Guys, if you're watching this, you have to know that we are running a brand new giveaway on the channel. We're giving away the new iPhone 11 Pro Max or the new MacBook Pro. The choice is yours. All you have to do is watch the full video, hit the like, comment the key hidden in the video, and make sure you subscribe. It is that simple.
So for the first step of today's method, we're gonna connect to warriorplus.com. And this is a website which is going to help us tremendously today in our initiative to make some money online and monetize our time. So this is a website which is best-in-class sales and marketing automation platform. And here people come and put their products or services and generate traffic for them. And people like us are going to be affiliates here, and we're going to earn some money that way. As you can see, there are thousands of affiliates on this website, and these are affiliating for some top-notch products. This website is very popular, and it has been in the business for a very long time now. And from my experience, it is very profitable. I earned a lot of money using this, and now I want to show you how you can do the same. Here you can see some of the reviews. Some of the customers left a pretty good reviews here, so you don't have to worry about legitimacy of this website as it is proven to work. And it is very easy to get started as well. You have 3-step process, and the first one is create your free account. As they say, it lasts for 60 seconds and it's totally free. After that, you will find some products to affiliate for, and you can even build your business through this website as you get more experienced, and that way you're gonna get some additional profits. And let's go through this quickly as well. As you can see, it is stable, powerful, evolving, and has a great community. So if you've got any problems with this, you can contact the community or even their live support, and if you have some problems, they are happy to help and they will solve all your problems in no time. So now all we have to do is simply click on the free sign up button over here, and here you just enter your username, your password, and email address. Just make sure to enter a valid email address because they're going to send you a confirmation link or validation link, however you want to call it, and you will need to click on that in order to start using your account here. And once you do everything correctly, this is how your dashboard is going to look like. And I want you guys to click on the affiliate section over here and then click on offers, because that's what we're gonna do on this website. We're gonna affiliate for some products and earn money that way. And as you can see, there are plenty of offers over here, plethora of them. There are thousands and thousands of different offers, and all you have to do is choose one that suits you best. As you can see, over 8,000 pages of these offers, so it's a pretty big choice. So all you have to do is compare these via these prices over here and these percentages, so you can get a feeling of how much money you're able to generate here. So for example, let's click on this spider system, and that will open this page where you can see some information about it. And here you've got this sales page. So if you click on that, you will be redirected to the sales page, and then you can see what this product is all about. So you are affiliating for it, so you need to learn something about it. Just take a quick read to get a feeling of what is it. So this tool is going to get some massive traffic to any of your links, and it's a good thing, and people are gonna sign up to this and you're gonna make some profits. So all you have to do now is click on the request approval here, and then this guy will eventually respond to your request and he will approve your application. And after that, you're ready to start affiliating for this offer and generating some cash for yourself. This is a proven method. It is proven to work. I have used it millions of times in the past and it has paid me a lot. So I wanted to share this opportunity with you so you can use your spare time as well and generate some money for yourself. It's really easy as well. It's completely beginner friendly. So let's continue with this so you can see how good it is. And for the second step of the method, I want you guys to connect to adheads.com. And adheads.com is the website which is going to help us get some traffic. It's going to advertise our affiliate link for us. And even though we have to make a small investment into this, it's not that big. It's only $5 or $10 for how much you want to spend on this. It's cheap, so you don't have to worry about that. And even if you don't have $5 to invest right now, I suggest you go and take a look at some other videos of mine so you can generate some really quickly and then come back to this method and reinvest that money and make even more money in the future. That's a great method and that's what I suggest you do. And here you would just have to register by simply clicking on register button over here. But before that, I want to show you what these guys are doing. So Adheads can turn your website or blog into a cash generating machine. And for the advertisers with Adheads, you could be receiving millions of ad impressions every day. So that's what we need for our method today. And let's now click on that register button. So here it is pretty simple. You just enter some basic information about yourself, such as first name, last name, address, city, country, and all of that. Email, of course, needs to be valid because of that confirmation link as well. You can leave this because it is optional. Here you enter some of your login details, your security question, and click on create account. And once you do everything correctly, you're now here on their dashboard. And from here, you want to click on the advertiser section over here and then click on network targeted. So here you can just name your advertising campaign and you can take name of that Warrior Plus offer. So like spider tests or something, and you should click here none of the above because that's not what we do. And here you should select text ads because those are cheaper than these image ads and you don't need those really because text ads would suffice really. And for this section, which is entitled geographic targeting, you should click on this regions only. So just click on North America and Europe because this is a best way you can do it. Sorry for this, I misclicked that. So this is a big opportunity for us because those are the countries which will get greatest response. Then click on the next step, set budget, and here you should enter how much is your total budget for this campaign, and $10 should be enough for start. And here is daily budget, put $10 as well so you can spend it at fastest rate possible. And after that, you should click on create ad, and that's it. That's all you have to do. You can just enter your URL there because they're gonna ask you to provide the URL which you are affiliating for. And now you just have to wait. You just have to wait for people to click on those ads and to sign up on the affiliate offer from Warrior Plus, and you're gonna get paid. As you can see, very simple method for earning money, very easy to do, and it doesn't take a lot of your time. You can just set this up once and it's gonna be there as long as the money goes away. So it should be pretty long and you can even get 10 times of this amount. So if you invest $10 in this, you can get $100 or $200. It all depends on the offer you chose from Warrior Plus. and I promise you, you'll be satisfied with the results because I've been using Warrior Plus for a long time now. I made a lot of money with its help, and I will continue doing it. And I just wanted to share this strategy with you because we all have to start monetizing our time online. We all have some spare time. The only difference is how we use it. And if we don't start monetizing our time online now, we're gonna be left out. And I don't want that to happen to you guys. So go out there, follow these instructions. They're very easy, and start making some money for yourself. If you start now, you're gonna be more satisfied in the long run because when you start soon, you're gonna finish first. So go out there, take action, and generate some huge profits for yourself. With that being said, I want to thank you for watching this video. Go out there, take action, and I will see you in the next one.